In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a simple yet effective watermark to your videos using Clipchamp. Whether you're a content creator looking to safeguard your work or simply someone who wants to add a professional touch to their media, learning how to do this is a valuable skill. So let's jump right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a powerful online video editor that's both user-friendly and accessible to anyone with an internet connection. It's perfect for projects of all sizes, and today it will help us create our own watermark. Once you're on the Clipchamp website, you'll need to sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Doing this will allow you to save your progress and access your work from any device. Now that you're logged in and ready to go, navigate to your media assets. This is where you'll find all the videos or images you've uploaded to Clipchamp. If you haven't uploaded your video yet, you can do so by clicking the Import button and selecting the file from your computer. Once your video is uploaded, it's time to get to the fun part, adding your watermark. Now find the text option in the toolbar. This feature allows you to add text directly onto your video. Click on it and you'll see various text templates and styles to choose from. For our purposes, picking a simple style can be very effective, but the choice is yours. Once you've selected your preferred text style, drag it onto the timeline where your video is displayed. It's time to add your watermark text. Click on the text field and type the name or phrase you want to use as your watermark. This could be your name, brand, or any identifying text relevant to your content. Position it where you want it to appear on your video. Most people prefer to place their watermark in the bottom right or left corner of the video where it's visible but not obstructive. Adjust the size and transparency of the text to your liking. A semi-transparent watermark works well as it subtly protects your content without distracting from the main content. Make sure to preview your video to ensure the watermark looks exactly how you want it. This is your chance to make any final tweaks to placement or size, ensuring everything is just perfect. Once you're happy with how it looks, you're all set to export your video. Congratulations! You've now successfully added a watermark to your video using Clipchamp. This easy-to-repeat process will help protect and professionalize your digital media. Thanks for watching and happy editing!